The raised close herringbone stitch is a perfect stitch to work on leaf-like structures. Begin by marking the center of the leaf. Bring out the needle from the bottom base of the leaf and make a single straight stitch to the center on the marked point. This straight stitch will be the base on which we will work our herringbone stitches in close succession to fill the structure with a raised effect. Next, come out from the top tip of the leaf structure and go under the straight stitch to go back across to the other side. This twist is necessary to create the spine of the leaf. Again, come out from the other side, pass the needle under the straight stitch and go across to the other side. Keep up with this process to cover the sides completely. As you keep stitching, you will see the spine getting created beautifully. Wait till the end of the video to see how raised this leaf turns out to be. This stitch is great to use on dimensional or raised embroidery without the need of stuffing. I hope you liked this video. Let me know by liking, sharing and commenting. You can learn more stitches from my channel, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Also, check the description to find links to my ebook store and my Patreon account where you can have access to various patterns. Thank you so much for watching.